Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and we're here to pick a winner for that multi-channel collab, flavors, scents, and colors of Christmas. Oh my goodness, somebody's gonna get a goodie box. So I use, of course, the random comment picker as always to see who is gonna win. I went in there, put the URL in, put the word snowflake, which was our magic word. We ended up with 42 unique comments. And yeah, now we gotta go down here, press the start button, and see who won. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Ooh, it's Laura Martinez. Oh my goodness, congratulations. I'm so excited for you. You're gonna get a goodie box from me. Congratulations, honey. Don't forget to email me at unboxingdiscoverybygg@gmail.com with your name, your address, and any specific, stuff you might want or don't want, all that good stuff, preferences. That's what I was trying to say. Y'all, I hope y'all have a wonderful Christmas, and God bless.